Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Greetings, my name is Mbalenhle, Enhle for short. I am the CEO and founder of Laser by Enhle. Laser Designs by Enhle manufactures items that you can use. I believe we are an innovative business which helps businesses see the creative side of things. We also deal with weddings and ceremonies. So with regards to invitations, we help you with making them. If you want to do awards, we help you with that. Is help with signage. We try to make it more colorful, adding a little bit of green here. And then what we do is we help with tags. You put on your jeans, your shirts, just to personalize it and make it custom. So I'm not available on the socials, but you can reach me on 066 176 7533. I am available on WhatsApp. My name is Enhle and I am a township entrepreneur.